Hey everyone, big update this week. If you are new here, I've been consistently putting $50 into the S&P 500 ETF VOO every week for the past 2 years and 5 months. So far, that's netted me a solid 33.5% return. If you are just starting your investment journey and want a straightforward way to build wealth, stick around. I got some really interesting updates for the past 2 weeks. Now, you might have noticed I skipped my regular update last week. That was intentional. It was right before election week, and I wanted to capture the market's reaction as it unfolded. See, the US presidential election isn't just any event. It happens once every 4 years, and it has a huge impact on market sentiment. Investors tend to get nervous, prices swing, and reactions can be really extreme. So rather than give you an update before the dust settled, I thought it would be much more interesting to show you the before and after impact side by side. Just a week ago, we saw a 1.4% dip in the S&P 500. And if we count the week before that, the market had actually lost 2.4% in just 2 weeks. Pretty rough, right? But then election week came around and the market decided to put on a show. In just 5 days, the S&P 500 rallied a whopping 4.7%, reaching a new all-time high. That's a complete reversal in no time at all. We all know that the stock market is full of ups and downs, but a swing like this dramatic, it definitely caught me off guard and exceeded even my highest expectations. Of course, this week was a great reminder of just how unpredictable the market can be, but the key takeaway, focus on the long-term game and stick to your investment plan no matter how wild the market swings get. That's exactly what I've been doing. Last week, I made my $50 VOO purchase around 10:30 a.m. on Tuesday. And this week, I did it around 9 a.m. on Monday. So far, I've accumulated 15.2 shares with a market value of $83.45. My profit is currently sitting at $2,095, translating to a solid 33.5% return rate. Here's a snapshot of my entire investing journey so far. After this week's incredible rally, my profit hit the $2,000 mark for the first time since starting this series. And I couldn't be happier with the 33.5% return. When I was preparing this video, it was almost hard to believe that my portfolio's value had climbed beyond $8,000. I mean, that's a substantial amount, and all I've been doing over the past almost 2.5 years is just investing $50 every week. I knew this strategy had potential, but I never imagined it would yield results this strong this quickly. It's a clear testament to why consistent investing pays off in the long run. However, I do want to set a realistic expectation for everyone watching here. Historically, the average annual return of the S&P 500 is only about 10%, while this year, it's up 26% as of today. So it's very unlikely my portfolio will continue seeing such high returns every year, but that's okay. I'm prepared for slower growth in the future, and I'm completely fine with that. That being said, if this experiment has encouraged you, why not join me on this journey? It only takes $50 a week, a little bit consistency, and some patience. If I can do it, I'm sure you can do it even better. Hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you next week.